it gives me immense pleasure to be amongst you all on this auspicious occasion of the opening ceremony of BRICS Under-17 Football Tournament. I take this opportunity to welcome all the teams, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and officials to India, and wish them a comfortable, enjoyable stay.
I now officially declare the first BRICS Under-17 Football Cup open.
Tonight is the night we create history. Glory inside, we play for victory. Brothers on the field of passion.
The Bambolim puppets lead parades through Brazil, led by the Russian puppet. This puppet is inspired from the folk attire of 19th century Russia. The contingent representing China, with the puppet from China. The puppet. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, we have a contingent representing South Africa.
किया है और अब 2-0 की बढ़त मजबूत ब्राजीलियन टीम को चाइना के खिलाफ.
So yes, a wonderful combination there coming up. First that goal eluded them. Wonderful there one coming from Paulo Henrique, and finishing it off in good style